How to use AI text generator. This is very easy to do. Go to this website, I set a link in the description. Then you need to make an account on this site. You can use AI for like everything. If you are too lazy to make a script, you can use simple AI for it. You don't have time for making a report for school, use AI. You can do it with like one command. It can also generate like a wall code for you. It's insane. For real, you can use this for like everything. I think this is the future. Okay, so if you see, you can type right here. I type here as example, write a report on the subject of YouTube. Now you need to wait for the result. So if you see, this works very good. And the best thing is, this tool is free to use. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.